Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something that's not only fascinating but also incredibly practical: death records. If you're into genealogy, legal matters, or just curious about history, this essential guide for 2025 is for you. Let's get started. First off, what exactly are death records? These are official documents that record vital details about a person's death, like the date, cause, and location. They include death certificates, obituaries, and even burial records. In 2025, with new digital advancements, accessing these has become easier than ever, thanks to updated online databases and AI-powered search tools. Why should you care? Well, death records are crucial for a variety of reasons. For families, they help settle estates, claim inheritances, or trace family trees. Historians and researchers use them to study demographics, health trends, and social changes. And with 2025's privacy reforms, there's more emphasis on protecting sensitive information while making public records more accessible. Now, how do you get your hands on these records? Start by checking government websites like the National Archives or state vital records offices. You'll need basic info like the deceased's name, birth date, and death date. For 2025, look out for the new unified digital portal that streamlines requests and reduces wait times. Remember, fees might apply, and some records could be restricted for a certain period. A few tips to make this process smoother: double-check your facts to avoid errors, respect privacy laws, and consider hiring a professional if it's for complex genealogy work. Also, with 2025 updates, mobile apps are now integrated for on-the-go access, super convenient. In conclusion, understanding death records isn't just about the past, it's a key tool for the present and future. Whether you're planning for your own affairs or exploring your roots, stay informed. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.